Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will start by preparing the phone and opening the correct settings screens. First, make sure the device is unlocked and has at least a little charge. Then open Settings and go to Battery. Once there, tap Battery Optimization or App Battery Management depending on Color OS version. Find the list of apps, scroll or search for the specific app you need to keep running. Once found, tap the app entry to show available battery rules and the option to change optimization behavior. Now change the app's optimization settings so it can run normally. Once you open the app's battery options, switch from the default optimized or sleeping mode to don't optimize or no restrictions. This disables aggressive killing. Make sure background activity is permitted, and if your Color OS shows auto launch or app launch management, enable automatic launch and secondary launch permissions. Doing these steps ensures the system won't routinely pause the app. After that, exit settings and reboot if you want the change to apply immediately. Finish by testing and addressing common issues. Reboot the device to ensure new rules take effect, then open the app and monitor background operation. If the app still gets stopped, revisit settings right arrow apps right arrow special access, right arrow ignore battery optimizations, and explicitly add the app there. Make sure app permissions and auto start are enabled. If things are inconsistent, reset app preferences rather than clearing data to avoid losing saved content. If problems persist, check for Color OS power saving modes or vendor security apps that enforce additional restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.